Open the machine box carefully. Inside the box, you will receive one stainless steel tube, 16 Murukku molds, 3 single nozzles, 1 dough scraper, 1 measuring cup, and 1 unit of Bakineer 3.0 C1. Make sure the 3-pin UK plug is connected to the power source before operating the machine. This machine has 3 main button modes: on, neutral and reverse. Press on to move the rod forward. Press neutral to stop the rod movement. Press reverse to move the rod backward. To adjust the rod speed, turn the speed control knob clockwise to increase the speed. Turn the knob counterclockwise to reduce the rod speed. To attach the tube and fill in the dough, place the tube onto the rod section. Make sure to twist the tube until it is securely locked to prevent it from coming off during use. Then insert the dough into the tube. The pineapple tart mould is used in this demonstration. Place the mould at the end of the tube, then secure it using the stainless steel cap. This installation process is the same for other moulds such as the double nozzle, single nozzle, Murukku or putu mayam nozzle, flat nozzle, and Dahlia mould. For the plastic tart mould, place the mould on top of the tube. Then attach this adapter before securing it with the stainless steel cap. Place the Dahlia mould on top of the tube. Then place the Dahliax body on top of the mould and secure it using the stainless steel cap. After that, attach the standoff to the Dahliax body. You can also use it without the standoff. The same installation process also applies to the 8 stainless steel nozzle. Now, I will show you how to use the Bakineer 3.0 C1. In this demonstration, I will be using the Dahlia mould as an example. For the piping process, you only need to use the on and neutral buttons. Press the on button to push the dough out until it reaches your desired size. Then switch back to the neutral button to stop the rod movement. Repeat the same process for the next piping.